maybe 20 minutes ago, it felt so good outside. It was breezy, it was chilly, and honestly, it just got really still. Like, there's nothing. I wonder if there's some kind of an atmospheric change or that just happened. But what kind of change? So see, this is where maybe those tips would come in, because we both were enlightened to like get to that point of consciousness. That's what this whole thing is about. I just saw that flicker. I know you probably saw it and were like, I don't even know, I'm just gonna forget about it. But that's it. That thing can be anywhere at any time. That defies the laws of everything times infinite, more than a lot of other of these phenomena. We're back to the balance scale. So this thing is how we were talking. This thing is going to judge us. I don't know, I can't talk. For some reason it gave me a lisp. And I really don't. At least I just noticed it. I wonder if it has something to do with the oxygen levels? Or maybe it's just me. I think I'm projecting it. It's crazy like that. Or it's whatever it is out there. It like made me confess. It's so embarrassing. Anyway, so this is a balancing thing. It judges us, and then if we pass, then it will allow us to pass. We don't want it to tip over, because that's when bad things happen. This is back. I mean, it's been here before. I was wondering where it had been. So I guess this is another trials and tribulation time. It says it's going to do this until somebody does something about it at PayPal. I'm serious. If you read the ancient text, if you read ancient text, you'll see this. I wonder what determines, because like they say, it knows everything, and if you believe anything, they tell you it knows everything. So it's like, what are you gonna not believe in it? Whatever you believe in is outside here. I see it, everything. I'm not worried about the religious aspects because there's no biasm. Everybody was right. And it makes sense if you think about it philosophically. You'd be like, why would they go through all that trouble? Like, I'm talking about the old ones. New Age, total different story. But that's awesome. Because that, like, answered so many of my own personal questions on everything. So back to the theory of everything, this is where I'm at, my visual evidence. Here we are again with the balance. We saw what happened last time. We fell off. That wasn't good. Even the Christian fish, it let go. Y'all guys were really bad then. Like, nobody even wanted to know, like, even the Pope, it could have been like, hey Brandon, so why is there a Christian fish? What does it have effect to do with man? This is what is called the theory of everything. They've solved it. They just haven't been able to prove it with the naked eye like we are watching right now. So isn't that important, right? So like the Pope, if I was the Pope, and if they're like, dude, the fish, they call it Jesus Christ too. So it's like, dude, Jesus appeared in the sky. Not once. Once would be a coincidence. us Oxfordians, me one day hope to be. So there's so many coincidences till it's absolute. Now, okay, we absolutely have a fish. It's the Christian fish. And the Pope doesn't want to know what it does, because this is how you solve the theory of everything. It wants to know how God is, like, how do you say, solvable to us affecting man on earth. I don't know, in science, I don't know if they're stealing my stuff and trying to rewrite their own stuff, which makes sense completely. But then at the same time, it's like, I could be doing it, and I am doing it, right? Started to write down on paper. You can't trust anything. The phone is shaking again. The other day, we did have a minor... Uh-oh. I see something moving. Is that Atlas? Probably not. Don't quote me on these. I saw that people are starting to want to call it Atlas, right? I started that. It's just something. Can y'all see anything? It's a star, maybe, or a satellite. It's going really fast. And it sucks that we can't see it. Hey, Vec, if you can see it on the camera, tell me. We're almost enough to have a live feed. That would be crazy. I don't know how I would be able to say, ask me a question while I'm filming, right? That's where I need help with Vec. That's where the tips would come in. I'd be able to say, Vec, I need your help with this. I don't know, it's not showing on the camera, but I'm looking at it. It's so strange. Anyway, it's killing the vibe. We missed everything. I think it's because I was talking all weird. But I just wanted to get this one over with about the PayPal with YouTube. Like, getting your permission. But it doesn't matter though, because I just proved it. A reason. So the people that are actually making those theories, unfortunately, there's a gentleman named John Wheeler. Now this guy, he's the one who made up the equation and the theory of a black hole and wormholes. I have footage of the first black hole and wormhole seen in nature with our naked eye. And that guy just recently passed away, unfortunately. But don't you think he would have been like so happy to be like, yes, I don't have a theory, I have a law now. Like that's like a big deal. But it's been 5 years and no contact. Think about everybody else's theories. Because y'all guys are all right. Anyways, it's 11:11. Make a wish. Good night.